Hi, Mr. Eaton here with Year 7 video lesson 2.1, which is looking at points, lines and angles. And as I keep saying, make sure that you record some important information in your study notes section of your exercise books, and also to stop the video whenever you need to write these notes or to do some of the practice questions. In geometry, there is certain language that is related to the specific subject. The first one is a point is usually labelled with a capital letter. So we would have a point that looks something like this with a capital letter P next to it. That would be called point P. And this one, a line passing through 2 points A and B is called line AB or line BA, and it expands indefinitely in both directions. Right, let's explain it. Point A, point B, it's on a line, and this little arrow on the sides over here means that it expands indefinitely in both directions. Line AB can also be written like this, A, B with a line above it, or B, A with a line above it. That pretty much means line A, B, or line BA. So go AB or BA. This next one is points that all lie on a single line are collinear. Here's my single line. I've got point A, B, and C. They're all on that single line. Therefore, points A, B, and C are collinear. If two lines meet, an intersection point is formed. Here is the first line, here is the second line, and this point over here, where the two intersect each other, is called an intersection point. A line segment is part of a line with a fixed length and endpoints. So here is line segment A and B. They've got a fixed point and a fixed length. Therefore it is a line segment. When you're asked to draw this, I would simply say AB, so line segment AB equals 10 centimeters, which means from point A to point B needs to be 10 centimeters. Fixed length with endpoints. So a ray is part of a line with one end point A, which is this one over here, passing through point B, which is that one over there, and extends in one direction only. So point A through point B, and it extends, because that's where the arrow is over there, in one direction only. Right, when two rays meet, so that's a first ray over there and that's a second ray over there, an angle is formed at the intersection point called a vertex. So this over here, where the two rays join, that point right in there, that is called the vertex. So vertex is where the two rays meet, and this over here is called an arm, and this one over here is also called an arm. Okay, so we have the two rays are called arms of the angle. So that's arm 1 and that's arm 2, and that over there is the vertex. An angle is named using 3 points with the vertex as the middle point. Here's the vertex. We've got point 1 over there, point 2 over there, which is the vertex, and point 3 over there. So how do we actually name this angle? We use that sign, which is very similar to that over there, yeah? A, which is that one. Vertex always has to be the second one, has to be in the middle, and the last one being over there. You could also write angle, and we could go for C first, but B is the vertex, always has to be in the middle, and A could be the last one. So that is the way we can actually name our angle using the 3 points. Alright, some practice for you. I want you to draw, first of all, point B, and I want you to do a line AN. Put the video on pause, and when you're ready, come back and see if you got it right. Well, point B is simply a point with a B. Line AN is something that looks like this. That'll be A, and that'll be N. Okay, next one is angle ABC. Put the video on pause and try that one. Well, that should look something like this. Okay, so we've got A, and because B is our vertex, that has to be B, and point C over there. That is angle A, B for our vertex, and C. Alright, array ST, and number 5 being 3 collinear points D, E, and F. Put the video on pause, give it a go. Well, array ST should look something like this. We got S over here, and we have T over here. Okay, so array ST. 3 collinear points, well, this will be a line, and on there we'll have our 3 points. Okay, so this will be D, this will be E, and this will be F. There are 3 collinear points that are on the same line, points D, E, and F. Well, that's it. That's points, lines, and angles, some information and language with regards to geometry. We've done some drawing, and now we can get into measuring.